A preview of Samsung's tri-fold smartphone, which may be known as the Galaxy Z Fold, has been released, with three unique panels. The leftmost one housing the triple camera system, the middle one holding the cover display, and the rightmost one blank. The device resembles a Z Fold and a half. Samsung has built in a warning mechanism to stop the right side from folding first since the hinges are not symmetrical. A preview of the side frame, which features the same fingerprint scanning power button and volume rocker as the Z Fold, is also provided via the unfolding animation. Although it is not the under-display camera, the inner display features a punch-hole camera that is comparable to the Fold 7. Since there is already a camera on the cover screen, some individuals contend that Samsung should remove the inner camera completely. The inner camera may still be used, though, for example, while making video calls in flex mode. Samsung is nearing the end of its $5,000 promotion, and if you choose to purchase the new foldables or the watches, you will receive an additional $50. Multifold 7, which may be a code name or final name, is the Z Fold's internal name. All of the screens within are protected when the Fold folds more like a Z. With its complete open and closed multitasking modes, its design is superior than Huawei's. The internet has committed to the moniker Z Fold, even though it only folds twice. In terms of specifications, the G Fold will utilize the same 200-megapixel primary, ultra-wide, and 3x telephoto camera configuration as the F7. It unfolds into a huge 10-inch tablet with a 6.5-inch outer screen. The precise amount was not disclosed, although the battery will be smaller than Huawei's 5600 mAh unit. With a weight of 298 g and a thickness of 12 millimeters, the device will be heavier and thicker than typical foldables. Given that it's a first-generation device with a small market, the anticipated price is approximately $2,000. The Galaxy's Fold may be teased by Samsung at the same presentation as the Z Fold 7, according to Korean media. This might be the largest advancement in foldables since the first Fold if it works. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.